Can this be really true?
So today we are behind the scenes with the show Look I Cook, which has been kind enough to feature us on their show. So getting ready to shoot a scene with Mom. So how are you feeling today, Mom, about being on TV?
Well, now I'm okay. I was a bit nervous in the beginning, but after meeting all these beautiful people, I feel more relaxed.
Good, good. It's going to be a good day, right, Mom?
For sure.
We're part of the beautiful people. I like that. Thank you.
I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't call you nothing, no. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. I just don't wanna call you sweetness.
Stand right here, this side. Yeah, facing me now.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mom, it's the end of the day. We've been shooting the TV show. How was it?
I don't have adjectives to describe today. It's been wonderful. I really enjoy everything that happened, and I think it's all down to the people that we're surrounded by, and I thank them so much for being here.
Yeah. So it's been a long day, but it's all good.
Yeah, it's been a long day. I've all eaten.
Thanks for inviting us.
Thank
we had a
you.
great time.
Thanks for coming.
It was awesome.
Got to feast my eyes on more than one woman every time. But whatever race or culture I belong,